Hello, and welcome back to today's trading analysis. Let's start first with gold. Since October 20th, 2025, when price created a new all-time high around the $4,376 level, we've seen gold begin a clear short-term bearish pullback as the market cools off from that strong rally. Around the same time, the S&P 500 also made a major move, breaking above a key resistance zone on October 24th to form a new all-time high at 6,932 points. Meanwhile, U.S. oil has been trading sideways within a range between $66.42 and $55.14 per barrel, showing a temporary balance between buyers and sellers. So in this session, we'll break down each of these markets: gold, the S&P 500, and U.S. oil, using a combination of the Block Force Indicator, Quantum Smart Tool, Quantum Trend, and the AQ Pro MACD indicators. Before we dive into the analysis, make sure to like this video, drop a comment, and subscribe if you're new here. We post daily Forex and stocks videos with precise analysis. Also, keep in mind, our Signals group is available only for our premium members. To become a premium member, all you need to do is purchase the AQ Pro indicator, which is now available for only $1. Once you make the purchase, you'll immediately get an invite to our premium group, where we share all our live trade setups and updates in real time. And the best part is, it even comes with a 3-day risk-free access, so you can test everything out and see the results for yourself before committing fully. Starting first with gold. Ever since we had the classic line crossing above the signal line on the AQ Pro MACD indicator on the daily chart, we've been seeing a consistent bearish correction setting in. Dropping down to the 2-hour chart timeframe, gold is trading inside a short-term range, with resistance around $4,046 and major support near $3,915. For us to see a bearish continuation, price must break and close below $3,915. If that happens, gold could drop further toward the next major support around the $3,793 price area. However, if price continues to hold above current support and breaks above $4,046, then we might see a short-term bullish continuation, since gold has been forming higher highs and higher lows recently on this lower time frame. At this stage, the next move depends entirely on which side of the range breaks first. A confirmed breakout above $4,046 signals renewed buying strength, while a breakdown under $3,915 confirms deeper correction pressure. Moving on to the S&P 500, the daily chart shows that price recently broke out from a major resistance zone around the 6,764 level, continuing the overall bullish trend. That breakout led to a new all-time high at 6,920. If we step down to the 2-hour chart, on the AQ Pro MACD indicators, the classic line has now crossed below the signal line, which confirms the short-term bearish pullback we're currently observing. For the S&P 500 to remain strongly bullish, price needs to break and close above 6,920 to open room for another record high. But if the index breaks below 6,752 support, that would suggest the beginning of a short-term correction toward the next support area. If neither side breaks convincingly, then the S&P 500 will likely continue ranging inside this structure until a clear breakout occurs. Finally, looking at U.S. oil. The daily chart shows that price has been locked within a clear range, trading between a resistance zone at $66.42 per barrel and a support zone around $55.14 per barrel. We've seen several strong reactions from both levels, clean rejections at resistance and solid bounces from support, proving these areas are significant. These zones are automatically identified by the Quantum AI Trend indicator, so you don't need to manually draw them. The indicator highlights where price historically reacts the most. If oil revisits the 55.145 support and breaks below it, that would likely trigger a much deeper bearish pullback. But if price pushes above $66.42 resistance, we can expect a renewed bullish leg toward higher levels. Interestingly, the AQ Pro MACD indicator captured the recent bottom accurately. When the classic line crossed above the signal line, it signaled the start of the current short-term bullish wave we've seen since then. As we move into the new trading week, all three markets are sitting around decisive zones. Whichever way price breaks next will define the tone for the sessions ahead. Also, keep in mind, our Signals group is available only for our premium members. To become a premium member, all you need to do is purchase the AQ Pro indicator, which is now available for only $1. Once you make the purchase, you'll immediately get an invite to our premium group, where we share all our live trade setups and updates in real time. And the best part is, It even comes with a 3-day risk-free access, so you can test everything out and see the results for yourself before committing fully. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.